it! Come on, everyone! Toyland is waiting for us! Look what I found! Waddles excitedly. It's glowing! Quacks happily. Look what I found, Ducky! That's amazing, Leon! I have this! Wow, let's put them together! Wow! What is that? Keep going. Almost there! We made it! Wow, it's glowing! Look at that! Incredible! I think this is it! The key! It's working! Whoa! What was that? Oh! Something's in there. Should we open it more? Whoa! Oh! Where did that come from? Oh! Amazing! Oh! Oh, look at it go! Yes! Try again, Ducky. I'll get it this time, Leon. Nope. Finally got it. Wow, check that out. Whoa, awesome. Got my fingers crossed for a perfect bounce. Whoa, a sparkling ball. I got it. Yes! I got them. 3 balls accounted for. Amazing job, Leon. That's the count. Wow! Amazing! 4. Got it. Let's do this. Whoa! Look at that! 5. Yes! 5! Wow, they're all in! Help, Robo! I'm scared!
It's okay, Ducky. I've got you.
Almost there! Wow, it fits perfectly! Look at that! Wow! What is that?
This orb reveals the gear's history. It was crafted in the ancient workshops of Eldoria, powered by our...
Okay, Ducky, go tap the gear. Quack, quack! Good job, Ducky!
All right, let's see what we're working with here. Whoa, it's bigger than I thought.
I found it. It fits right here. Wow! Whoa, what's that? It's ticking! It's really ticking down! No, no, no! No, no, no! Stop! Please stop! The timer! It's too fast! Help! Run! No, it's too fast. System critical.
Time remaining, 5 seconds.
No, no, no! Oh, look, it's moving. Quack, quack! Stop, you're scaring him. Quack! All right, time to open this. Whoa, a map. This must be it. To the next destination. Adventure awaits. The forest. It's so far from home, but we have to go. I got it. It's safe.
Excellent work.
All right. This is it.
Keep going! Don't look back!
It's closing. The numbers await. Forward.